Today, most websites are flat. They only have forms to let website visitors interact with them. There are forms to share feedback, forms to submit a registration, and forms to ask questions. These forms are not proactive and certainly not customer-friendly. Website visitors have to do everything themselves, so as a result, they don't convert. Meet Quriobot. Instead of these non-interactive forms, you can now easily build a friendly chatbot to help your website visitors find what they are looking for and to answer their questions 24/7. It's as if you're personally talking to people when they visit your site. By talking to them, you are not only helping them quicker, you are increasing your conversion. But it doesn't end there. You can make Quriobot behave exactly in the way you want, keep track of how people interact with it, and integrate it with all your existing systems. Optimize your website experience for quick and effective results. So, say goodbye to old-fashioned web forms. Say hello to Quriobot.